Welcome to Master Mathematics in Minutes. Today's topic is about simple factorization, and we'll cover a couple examples on how to factorize common factors. And we'll conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, what is simple factorization? The highest common factor can be factorized from each term and placed outside the bracket. Let's consider a couple examples. With AB plus AC, and A is the highest common factor across these two terms, and so we can factorize A and place it outside the brackets. And in the brackets we have B plus C. So to check the expansion of this bracket equals to the left-hand side, we have AB as first term, which matches the first term on the left-hand side, and AC as the second term, which matches that term on the left-hand side. And so these two are equivalent, but we factorize A on the right-hand side, outside the brackets. Let's consider a second example with AB minus AC. And once again, A is the highest common factor which we can factorize and put it outside the brackets, and inside the brackets with B minus C. So to check our answers, we have AB as the first term on the left-hand side, and A multiplied by minus C as the second term on the left-hand side. So the expansion of this bracket equals to the expression on the left-hand side, but we factorize A on the right-hand side. Let's take a look at a couple examples now. In the first example, we're asked to factorize the expression 2x plus 2. And so we can rewrite 2x plus 2 as 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1. And notice that 2 is the highest common factor across these two terms. And we can factorize 2 and place it outside the brackets, and inside the brackets with x plus 1. So to check our answers, we can expand this bracket to see if it matches the term on the left-hand side. So with 2 multiplied by x as 2x, which matches the first term, and 2 multiplied by 1 matches the second term on the left-hand side. So they are equivalent, but we factorize 2 on the right-hand side. In the second example, we're asked to factorize the expression 10x minus 50. So we can rewrite 10x minus 50 as 10 multiplied by x. We'll carry the minus sign across. And we can rewrite 50 as 10 multiplied by 5. So notice that 10 is the highest common factor across these two terms, which we can factorize and place it outside the brackets as 10. And inside the brackets we have x minus 5. So to check our answers, we can expand the bracket on the right to make sure that it matches the expression on the left. And so the first term is 10x, which matches that 10x. And the second term is minus 10 multiplied by 5, which matches the second term. So they are equivalent, but we've factorized 10 on the right-hand side as required by the question. In the third example, we're asked to factorize the expression 70x squared plus 56xy. So we can rewrite this expression. 70x squared can be rewritten as 14x multiplied by 5x, and 56xy can be rewritten as 14x multiplied by 4y. So notice that 14x is the highest common factor, which we can place outside the brackets. And inside the brackets, we have 5x plus 4y. So to check our answers, we have 14x multiplied by 5x as the first term, and 14x multiplied by 4y as the second term. And so these two are equivalent, but we factorize 14x outside the brackets on the right-hand side, as required by the question. In the fourth example, we're asked to factorize the expression 6xyp minus 27xyq. So we can rewrite this expression. 6xyp can be rewritten as 3xy multiplied by 2p, and we'll carry the minus sign across. And 27xyq can be rewritten as 3xy multiplied by 9q. And notice that 3xy is the highest common factor, which we can factorize and place outside the brackets. And we'll copy 2p minus 9q inside the brackets. To check our answers, the expansion of the brackets gives us 3xy multiplied by 2p, which matches the first term on the left hand side. And the second expansion that gives us minus 3xy multiplied by 9q, which matches the second term on the left. And so these two are equivalent, but we'll factorize 3xy on the right hand side, outside the brackets. To summarize, the highest common factor can be factorized from each term and placed outside the bracket. We've considered the example AB plus AC, where A is the highest common factor which we can factorize outside the brackets, and that becomes A into B plus C. So the expansion of the brackets gives us AB as the first term and AC as the second term. Similarly, we've looked at AB minus AC, and A being the highest common factor can be factorized outside the brackets, and with B minus C inside the brackets. An expansion of that is AB as the first term and minus AC as the second term. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics in Minutes.